Đây cha.
nó chế bên là nó được cổ vậy chứ đi sao các cái lao động
Ui, đây cha.
chỉ cổ đắp lấy nè chỉ cổ đắp lấy nó cái gì bên nào cũng đi mà nó được cổ
Oh, me à? Oh, okay. You can hear it. Đây cha. Plu, plu, plu.
Why elephant they eat so much? They eat a lot because elephant they got only one, not whole like every hour pull out eating, every 1.5 hour pull out. Yeah.
Tagama to odi ba. Tagama to odi ba. Thế về đi. Em mà live tất cả này tagama to qua đi ba. No one is watching. It's zero. Đây giờ này sẽ khi vậy.
Though they eat so many different elephant, they eat so many different things. Next food or then like corn, leaf, and they say that spring. Yeah. Leaf, bamboo leaf, tree bark, no meat. They are vegetarian. That's the vegetarian. They eat so many different things, but not everything because some plant poison. Elephant they know it. They eat, not eat. Yeah.
How does he separate the grass part from the stalk? He just tears it off?
Yeah.
He knows? Or she knows?
This is not because they are scared a little bit. See that?
What's that?
A very good
Pose?
Very cute pose. Model. When they are full, they don't eat the whole banana. They peel and they just eat inside.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Can
They
peel?
are
How do
very
they peel a
clever.
banana?
They
With
do
their
with
nose?
their trunk.
No way. That's amazing.
Yeah.
You know, his flank sticks out right there.
Is
Yeah.
His flank like pokes out right there.
Yeah, she is very healthy. She eats a lot.
that a big stomach?
Yeah. And before, like, she was pregnant, we did not notice because her stomach is just like that.
That looks like
Yeah.
she's pregnant
Now
yeah.
she already have baby out. It's still big.
Still that big.
Maybe another one inside.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah.
Maybe.
This is the mom.
Yes. Mom is 25, 26 years old, and this one is 2 months old. Male. He is the only male at our eco lodge. And this is his sister, Mobley, 8 years old.
Mowgli?
Yeah.
gì đó bên này coi vậy nè nó cho lần nữa là các bạn này
Me.
bên nào đi chứ
Do they have teeth or just?
Yes,
just
they
the
have
mouth?
very big. It's inside.
Deep inside.
Yeah.
Hey.
When they first came here, it was just she and her daughter. And later we got him. They were here already like 3 years almost.
So where's the dad?
Oh,
Not
we don't
here?
know.
Huh?
When they came,
She was already pregnant.
has. And also,
That's
elephant pregnancy takes 2 years, up to 2 years.
Where did they come from?
From different places, especially they are from logging area and also entertainment industry. So we rescue them from those industry.
the logging industry because
Yes.
they pull the trees, they drag the trees.
Yeah, they are from Ta. It's along Thailand-Myanmar border. So before they were there, helping or being used for logging.
How many elephants do you have here?
Now we have 23 elephants and two baby elephants.
Oh, wow.
In total, like 24. You will find another baby elephant at Riverside. Her name is Demo.